This model kit review is of the Nakajima Ki44 Shoki. It is a 1/48 scale model by ARII or ARII plastic models, and here's some drawings of the model, the finished model, and I don't see any other pictures of it. Let's have a look inside. Some nice artwork. Let's have a look here at our sprues. This one's already been opened. It's plastic. Here's our canopy, and that needs a little bit of polishing. Otherwise, nicely molded. Here are our decals. Lots of little pieces here. Here is the sprue. Looks like the fuselage has come off. Here's our engine. Fair level of detail here in the molding, but also a lot of mold lines and some flashing. Here's the front with a crankcase, and here are wheels. Good level of detail here, recessed panel lines and rivet lines on our stabilizer. Here's a nose cowling, also with some good details. Inside of the cockpit's got some detail. And we have recessed panel and rivet lines with a tremendous amount of surface detail here. And it's fairly well molded. Looking at our wings here, we've got some nice detail here on the wings. Wheel wells have got some detail. Here's the top of the wing. Also all recessed panel and rivet lines, very well molded. Here we have our bulkheads and floor of the cockpit. Here's our instrument panel. Some detail there. Our pilot. You can see the pilot figures. And we have our bombs or fuel tanks, gear, landing gear, wheel well covers. Here's our spinner and tail wheel and our propeller. Let's have a look at our instructions here. We start off with, over here is the parts listing. Build the cockpit that goes inside the fuselage with the engine bulkhead. Wings go together, and then they go on the fuselage. Stabilizer also glued on. Then the engine and cowling are glued together there. And next is the landing gear and fuel tanks, and the tail gear and propeller and canopy. Here's our painting and decal guide. And then this is some very nice artwork here, showing the finished product. So all in all, molding quality is pretty good, except for a few places like the engine. We've got a tremendous amount of detail and some good decals.